Hi, this is Nirdosh Kumar Rajput, and in this lecture, we will discuss the or several problems of the or quadratic equation based upon the formula which is discussed in the previous lecture. So, this is the first problem. So, first of all, we read the problem. So, problem is that if alpha into beta are the roots of the equation x square plus px plus q equal to 0, then calculate the value of alpha की power 4 plus beta की power 4. So, for solution, we know that alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, comma alpha into beta equal to c by a. Then what is the v? V is the coefficient of the x, here b equal to p. And what is the a? Is the coefficient of x square, here a equal to 1. And what is the c? C is the constant in the of the quadratic equation, here c equal to q. So if we compare x square plus px plus q equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then we get a equal to 1, comma b equal to p, comma c equal to q. Then we get alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, which is equal to minus p upon 1 equal to minus p from here. And alpha into beta equal to c by a, where c equal to q and a equal to 1, then we get q. Okay, and so we know the two value. One is alpha into beta, another is alpha plus beta. So with the help of these two value, we have to find out the value of alpha की power 4 plus beta की power 4. Okay, and we know that a plus b का whole square equal to a square plus b square plus का 2ab. Then from this equation we get a square plus b square equal to a plus b का whole square minus का 2ab. चलिए, okay, so we get a square plus b square equal to a plus b का whole square minus 2ab. If we put in this equation a बराबर अल्फा स्क्वायर and b बराबर बीटा स्क्वायर, then we get अल्फा की पावर 4 प्लस बीटा की पावर 4 इक्वल टू अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर का होल स्क्वायर माइनस का 2 अल्फा स्क्वायर इंटू बीटा स्क्वायर. Similarly, we put the value of alpha square plus beta square. Then what is alpha square plus beta square? Alpha square plus beta square equal to similarly a alpha plus beta का whole square minus का 2 alpha beta from this equation. Then we put the alpha square plus beta square in this equation. Then we get alpha की power 4 plus beta की power 4 equal to अल्फा प्लस बीटा का होल स्क्वायर माइनस का 2 अल्फा बीटा का होल स्क्वायर माइनस का 2 अल्फा का स्क्वायर इनटू बीटा का होल स्क्वायर फाइनली. एंड वी नो दैट द वैल्यू ऑफ अल्फा प्लस बीटा इक्वल टू माइनस पी एंड अल्फा इनटू बीटा इक्वल टू क्यू. Then we put the value of alpha plus beta equal to minus p and alpha into beta equal to q in this equation. Then we get alpha की power 4 plus beta की power 4 equal to alpha. Okay, sorry, it is not alpha square, it is alpha की power 4 and or similarly here alpha की power 4, alpha की power 4 plus beta की power 4 equal to alpha plus beta का whole square means minus p का whole square means p square minus 2 alpha into beta equal to q minus 2q. Similarly whole square minus का 2 अल्फा इंटू बीटा का होल स्क्वायर मीन्स अल्फा स्क्वायर इंटू बीटा स्क्वायर मीन्स अल्फा इंटू बीटा का होल स्क्वायर means we get here q square. Fine. Okay. So here alpha की power 4 plus beta की power 4 equal to, if we expand of this formula then we get p की power 4 plus 4q square और here minus 4 p square q minus का 2q square. Then we get alpha की power 4 प्लस बीटा की पावर 4 इक्वल टू पी की पावर 4 माइनस का 4 पी स्क्वायर क्यू एंड फ्रॉम दिस एंड दिस वी गेट प्लस 2q स्क्वायर. दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ अल्फा की पावर 4 प्लस बीटा की पावर 4. फाइन. ओके. देन आफ्टर द फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम दिस इज द और सेकंड प्रॉब्लम. सो रीड द प्रॉब्लम. सो गिवन दैट इट इज गिवन दैट one root of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is 4 times of the other root, then find the condition on a, b, c. So here it is given that let alpha comma beta are the roots of this equation. Let alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation. And from this question we know that one root is alpha, then another root is 4 times of other root, means here beta equal to 4 alpha. Okay, so here we get the two roots, one is alpha and another is beta. Here beta equal to 4 alpha. Because of that in this question given that another root is 4 times of previous root. So if one root is alpha then another root is 4 alpha. Then we get the two value of roots, one is alpha, another is 4 alpha. These are the value of two roots of this equation. Fine. So we know that alpha plus beta means alpha plus 4 alpha equal to minus b by a. Here minus b by a, where b is the coefficient of the x and a is the coefficient of x square. This is the first equation. And we know that alpha into beta equal to c by a. This is equal to alpha and beta equal to 4 alpha means 4 alpha square. This is the second equation. Okay. So here from the first equation we get 5 alpha equal to minus b by a. And from this here from we get alpha equal to minus b by 5a. This is the first equation. Okay, from the second equation we get 4 alpha square equal to c by a. This is the second equation. Okay, so we know that from the first equation we get alpha equal to minus b by 5a and 4 alpha square equal to c by a. So if we put the value of the alpha in the second equation then we get 4 into alpha की the value of the alpha equal to minus b by 5a का whole square equal to c by a. Then we get 4 b square divided by 25 a square equal to c by a. From here a to cancel out. Then we get 4b square. If we do the cross multiplication then we get 25ac. So then we get ultimately 4b square minus 25ac. So this is the answer. So if the this is the given equation x square plus bx plus c and one root is the 4 times of the another root, then by solving this we get the condition on ABC if one root is the 4 times of the other roots. Fine.